Hello students, let us learn a trick to find the group number, period number and block of an element. To find the period, we have to take the largest n value from the electronic configuration, that is the last shell number. To find which block does the element belong to, you have to look at into which subshell the last electron is entering. To find the group number of an element, we have to first know to which block the element belongs to. If the element belongs to S block, the possible group numbers would be 1 and 2. So if the electronic configuration at the end is NS1, the group would be 1. If the electronic configuration at the end is NS2, the group would be 2. If the element belongs to P block, the formula to find the group number would be 12 plus the number of electrons present in the last P subshell. If the element belongs to D block, then the formula to find the group number would be 2 plus the number of electrons present in the n-1d subshell. Let us apply this trick to some elements. The first element I am taking here is nitrogen, whose atomic number is 7. The electronic configuration will be 1s2, 2s2 and 2p3. So from this, to find the period number, we have to look at the highest n value. So the highest n value here is 2. So the period will be 2. To find the block, we can see that the last electron here is entering the P subshell. So the block will be P block. To find the group number, the formula is 12 plus the number of electrons present in the last P subshell. That is 12 plus 3 electrons here. So the group number would be 15. So nitrogen belongs to second period, P block and 15th group. The second element I am taking here is calcium, whose atomic number is 20. The electronic configuration will be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2. So from this, to find the period number, I am looking at the highest n value, which is 4. So the period is 4. The block here will be S because the last electron is entering the S subshell. If at all it is S block, we know that the possible group numbers are 1 and 2. Because the electronic configuration here is 4s2 at the end, that means it belongs to group 2. The third example I am taking here is of silver, whose atomic number is 47. The electronic configuration will be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10, 4p6, 5s2 and 4d9. So here, if you look at the highest n value, that is equal to 5. That is, the period number will be 5. If you see the n plus L value of 5s and 4d, 4d has the n plus L value of 6. So the last electron enters the 4d subshell. That means the block would be D. If at all the block is D, the group number should be 2 plus number of electrons present in the D subshell. That is 2 plus 9, which is equal to 11. So the group number of silver would be 11. To find the group number and period number of F block elements, we cannot use the above rules. So we have to just remember that if the atomic numbers are between 57 to 71, they belong to period 6 and group 3. If at all the elements are between 89 to 103, they belong to period 7 and group 3. So finally, the F block elements will be having only group 3 and period 6 and period 7. To make your concept stronger and stay ahead in your learning journey, join me and other subject matter experts on Turito app. For daily concept classes, download the app right now.